Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a bink2w64.dll error or missing from your system. So here, when you try to play the GTA 5 or Call of Duty Modern Warfare, for example, you encounter this error. The program cannot start because of bink2w64.dll is missing from your computer. Try to reinstall the program to fix the problem. So you can try to search this file, maybe your Windows Defender, maybe your antivirus read this file type as a virus. You can check your antivirus quarantine feature, quarantine box maybe. You can try to restore this file. If not, you can try to find on manually download on trusted sources, for example from dllfiles.com or dllme.com. You can download this file manually. You just download this file manually and put into your game folder. So in some case you may need to register bink2w in Windows. You can also download this, or you can try to open the command prompt, run as administrator and registering a DLL file. You can follow this step. You can pause this video, or you can just find on dllme.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.